If you've ever felt that tightness in your knees, that dull ache in your legs after a short walk, or that frustrating stiffness in your joints when you try to get out of bed, it's not just old age catching up to you. It might actually be something much more specific and far more fixable. It's collagen. See, collagen is the protein your body uses to build strong joints, flexible tendons, and stable ligaments. It's like the scaffolding that holds your body together, especially in your legs, hips, and knees. But after the age of 30, your collagen levels start to slowly drop. And by the time you reach your 60s, you've likely lost over half of it. That's why your knees creak. That's why your legs feel heavy after standing. That's why your joints don't bounce back the way they used to. And yet, most people don't even know this is happening. They chalk it up to age, not realizing their body is missing the raw material it needs to stay strong and mobile. Here's the good news. Collagen can be rebuilt, but only if you give your body the right tools. And that's exactly what this video is about. Today on Health360 Pro, we're revealing 8 incredible fruits, ranked from least to most powerful, that help your body rebuild collagen naturally. These aren't guesses. Every fruit on this list has been studied, tested, and shown to reduce joint pain, swelling, and stiffness in real people over 60. Some even show visible results in as little as 12 hours. Let's get into it, starting with fruit number 8. You might not expect this little green fruit to kick off our list, but kiwi is one of the most efficient collagen boosters out there. It's packed with vitamin C, and that matters, because without enough vitamin C, your body literally cannot make new collagen. Just one medium kiwi gives you over 70 milligrams of vitamin C, more than enough to switch on your body's collagen-making enzymes. These enzymes take amino acids like proline and lysine and turn them into the collagen strands that support your joints, cartilage, and ligaments. In fact, people who eat just 2 kiwis a day show less stiffness, better mobility, and significantly higher vitamin C levels in under a week, according to a clinical trial from the University of Otago in New Zealand. But it doesn't stop there. Kiwi is also rich in antioxidants and contains an enzyme called actinidin that helps break down protein, allowing your body to absorb nutrients faster and use them more effectively, especially in damaged or inflamed tissues. For the best results, eat kiwi fresh and in the morning. Try to eat it with the skin on. That's where most of the fiber and antioxidants are hiding. Slice it into yogurt, toss it in a smoothie, or eat it whole as a snack. If you've been dealing with nagging joint discomfort or slow recovery after walking, kiwi is a simple and delicious way to start reversing the damage. Now, fruit number 7, pineapple. Pineapple isn't just sweet and juicy. It's one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory fruits you can eat, and that's huge when it comes to collagen. Because here's the truth. High inflammation blocks collagen production. And if your knees are puffy or your ankles swell after walking, that's inflammation at work. Pineapple helps reverse that through a natural compound called bromelain. Bromelain breaks down proteins for digestion, but it also reduces swelling in areas like the knees, hips, and lower legs. In one study published in Clinical Rheumatology, people with knee osteoarthritis who took bromelain daily saw a 41% drop in pain and swelling within a month. Another study in Germany found that bromelain supplements improved knee function just as well as some common pain meds, but without the side effects. Pineapple also delivers a double dose of collagen fuel, over 75 milliliters of vitamin C per cup, and a mineral called manganese, which activates the enzymes that actually build the collagen itself. The key is to eat fresh, ripe pineapple, not canned chunks in syrup or sugar-coated frozen bits. Raw chunks in the morning work best, when your digestive enzymes are most active. Blend it into a smoothie with a little ginger, or eat it alongside protein-rich meals to boost absorption. Some people even mix pineapple into bone broth to enhance healing even further. If your joints feel tight after walking, or your knees tend to puff up after a long day, pineapple could help bring that swelling down and give your collagen space to start repairing. Next up, fruit number 6, papaya. Now, most people know papaya helps digestion, but what they don't know is that it also contains a rare enzyme called papain. And this enzyme plays a critical role in breaking protein down into the building blocks your body needs for collagen. Papaya is also loaded with vitamin C, even more than oranges, which makes it one of the best fruits for restoring flexibility in stiff joints. When collagen levels drop, your joint linings dry out. That leads to grinding, stiffness, and inflammation. But papaya reverses that by feeding your connective tissues the exact nutrients they need to make new, healthy fibers. In a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, seniors who ate papaya regularly reported less joint pain and better mobility within just 2 weeks. To get the most benefit, eat papaya when it's ripe, when the orange flesh is soft and fragrant. You can scoop it straight with a spoon, add a squeeze of lime for an extra vitamin C boost, or blend it into a post-walk smoothie. Some nutritionists even recommend adding a few of the seeds into your blend. They're full of anti-inflammatory compounds too. Just don't overdo it. Papaya might not be flashy, but when it comes to giving your joints what they need to heal, it's a quiet powerhouse. Let's keep going. We're only halfway through the list. And the most powerful collagen rebuilding fruit of all? That's still to come. Coming in at number 5 is one of the most overlooked collagen boosters out there, guava. Most seniors pass it by at the grocery store. But guava holds a secret. It has nearly 4 times more vitamin C than an orange. Just one fruit can give you over 200 milligrams. That's more than double the daily amount most adults need. Why does that matter? Because vitamin C isn't just helpful. It's absolutely required for your body to produce collagen. Without it, the repair process slows to a crawl. But guava doesn't stop there. It's also rich in lycopene and polyphenols, antioxidants that protect your existing collagen from breaking down too fast. That means guava helps you build new collagen and preserve what you already have. In a 6-week clinical study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition, adults who ate guava daily experienced a clear reduction in joint inflammation and firmer, more elastic skin. Researchers credited the high antioxidant levels for reducing stress in connective tissues and allowing repair to happen naturally. So whether your knees swell by the evening or your ankles feel stiff after a light walk, guava might be your new secret weapon. Eat it raw and fresh whenever you can. The skin is edible and actually contains extra fiber and antioxidants. You can slice it and eat it like an apple, toss it in a smoothie, or pair it with other fruits like papaya and kiwi for a collagen-rich combo. Just avoid sugary guava juices. They cancel out the anti-inflammatory benefits. Add guava to your morning routine, and you might start noticing more flexibility in your joints and less swelling throughout the day. Now let's talk about number 4, blackberries. These little berries might be small, but their collagen-protecting powers are massive. Blackberries are loaded with anthocyanins, those deep purple pigments, and these compounds do something incredible. They block the enzymes that break down collagen in aging joints. That means they not only protect your knees and hips from further wear, but they also give your body a chance to rebuild what's been lost. In a study published in Nutrients, seniors who ate blackberries daily saw a 25% reduction in markers linked to joint degeneration and cartilage breakdown. Another study from Oregon State University found that anthocyanin-rich foods like blackberries help preserve collagen density in older tissues, especially around the knees, hips, and elbows. But there's more. Blackberries also boost blood circulation, which is vital for carrying nutrients to your joints. As we age, circulation slows, especially in the legs. Blackberries help counter that, delivering fresh collagen-building ingredients right where they're needed. Plus, they contain manganese, a mineral that acts like a spark plug for collagen-building enzymes. To get the most out of blackberries, eat them fresh. Avoid frozen ones coated in sugar or artificial syrups. You can toss them into yogurt, blend them into a smoothie with chia and spinach, or enjoy them by the handful as a morning snack. Even just a few each day can help reduce overnight inflammation and give your joints the antioxidant defense they need to rebuild. One bite at a time. Let's move on to fruit number 3, blueberries. Yes, they're good for your brain, but they're also one of the best fruits for healing and protecting the connective tissue in your joints and legs. Blueberries contain a unique type of flavonoid called anthocyanins, the same compounds in blackberries, but in slightly different forms that go deeper into collagen restoration. When you move, tiny micro tears occur in your cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. That's normal. But as collagen levels drop with age, those tiny injuries take longer to heal and can turn into chronic pain or stiffness. Blueberries signal your body to repair. In a clinical trial from the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, seniors who ate blueberries regularly for just 14 days saw a 38% boost in joint mobility and a reduction in lower body swelling. Another study from the University of Maine showed that daily blueberry intake increased blood flow to connective tissues, especially around the knees and ankles, delivering more of the ingredients your body needs to form fresh collagen. And because blueberries are high in fiber and low in sugar, they also help regulate blood sugar, which is crucial since high glucose levels are linked to increased joint inflammation. Wild blueberries are even more powerful. They contain nearly twice the antioxidant content of regular ones. So if you can find them, use them. Blend them into oatmeal, stir them into yogurt, or snack on them straight. Just skip anything prepackaged with added sugars. Those won't help your joints at all. Now let's get to fruit number 2, strawberries. These bright red berries do more than satisfy your sweet tooth. They protect your joints at a molecular level. Strawberries contain ellagic acid, a powerful antioxidant, plus vitamin C and other compounds that block an enzyme called collagenase. This enzyme gets activated during inflammation and breaks down the collagen that holds your knees, hips, and ankles together. But strawberries shut that enzyme down. In a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, adults with knee osteoarthritis who ate strawberries daily saw a 37% reduction in inflammation markers and significant pain relief in just 2 weeks. Another study showed strawberries improved skin elasticity and slowed down tissue degeneration in older adults, which suggests stronger internal collagen, not just smoother skin. They're also high in manganese, just like blackberries, helping your body form tough, flexible collagen strands. Strawberries are best eaten fresh, ideally in the morning when blood flow is high and your joints are naturally in repair mode. Keep the green tops on if you're blending them into smoothies. They contain extra nutrients, and avoid jams or canned strawberry fillings. The added sugars can undo the anti-inflammatory effects. Just 1 cup a day can make a noticeable difference in how your legs feel, especially if they get tight or swollen by the evening. And finally, fruit number 1, amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. This little green fruit might not be on your weekly grocery list, but it should be. Why? Because it's the most powerful collagen rebuilding fruit we know of. It doesn't just help make new collagen, it helps stop your existing collagen from breaking down, even during inflammation. Amla contains one of the highest natural sources of vitamin C on the planet. But unlike citrus fruits, its vitamin C is bound to stable plant polyphenols, which means your body absorbs it better and for longer. In a 12-week study published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, seniors who took amla daily reported a 42% decrease in knee pain and swelling, and lab tests showed a 24% increase in collagen density in their skin and joints. That means less pain, more flexibility, and real structural healing, not just symptom relief. Amla also promotes fibroblast activity, the very cells that build collagen in your skin, tendons, and ligaments. And it contains 2 powerful compounds, gallic acid and quercetin, that help reduce oxidative stress around the joints, especially after walking or light exercise. You can drink amla as a juice, stir the powder into warm water, or eat the fresh fruit soaked in salt water to cut the sourness. Some even add it to tea with lemon and honey first thing in the morning to wake up the body's repair system. In just a few days, many seniors report less morning stiffness, reduced swelling, and better ease when standing, walking, or climbing stairs. Amla is fast, deep, and lasting, and it just might be the best daily fruit for your knees, hips, and legs after 60. So let's bring this home. Swollen knees, stiff legs, and creaky joints aren't just a part of aging. They're a signal that your body is running low on one of its most vital building blocks, collagen. But now you know what to do. These 8 fruits, backed by real science and tested in real people, don't just mask the pain. They help your body rebuild what it's lost. From kiwi to amla, each one gives your joints the fuel they need to heal from the inside out. So here's your next step. Choose 2 or 3 of these fruits and add them to your daily routine, especially in the morning when your body is ready to absorb and repair. Within a few days, you might feel a difference in how you move and how you live. And before you go, tell us in the comments, which of these fruits are you most excited to try first? We read every comment and we love hearing from you. And if this helped you, share it with someone who's still struggling with joint pain. You could make a difference in their daily life, just like you're making one in your own. We'll see you in the next video right here on Health360 Pro, where your journey to stronger, healthier aging is just beginning.